Theta value equivalent to 13.8320 rands a coin. The present cost range, 13.4436, 14.0313. The earlier day close, 13.5326. The change was plus 0.2994. Plus 2.21%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, July 20. Cost 13.09 rands, high 14.01, low 12.17. Theta figure on Friday, July 21. Cost 13.23 rands, high 14.16, low 12.30. Theta cost expectation on Monday, July 24. Cost 12.77 rands, high 13.66, low 11.88. Theta figure on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 12.54 rands, high 13.42, low 11.66. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26. Cost 11.95 rands, high 12.79, low 11.11. Theta conjecture on Thursday, July 27. Cost 12.85 rands, high 13.75, low 11.95. Theta cost expectation on Friday, July 28. Cost 12.95 rands, high 13.86, low 12.04. Theta conjecture on Monday, July 31. Cost 13.10 rands, high 14.02, low 12.18. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1. Cost 13.56 rands, high 14.51, low 12.61. In about 14 days Theta conjecture on Wednesday, August 2. Cost 13.63 rands, high 14.58, low 12.68. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 3. Cost 13.50 rands, high 14.45, low 12.56. Theta figure on Friday, August 4. Cost 13.76 rands, high 14.72, low 12.80. Theta cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 13.31 rands, high 14.24, low 12.38. Theta figure on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 12.76 rands, high 13.65, low 11.87. In 3 weeks Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 12.83 rands, high 13.73, low 11.93. Theta figure on Thursday, August 10. Cost 12.88 rands, high 13.78, low 11.98. Theta cost expectation on Friday, August 11. Cost 12.83 rands, high 13.73, low 11.93. Theta figure on Monday, August 14. Cost 13.57 rands, high 14.52, low 12.62. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 14.36 rands, high 15.37, low 13.35. In about a month Theta figure on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 14.30 rands, high 15.30, low 13.30. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, August 17. Cost 13.53 rands, high 14.48, low 12.58. Theta gauge on Friday, August 18. Cost 13.75 rands, high 14.71, low 12.79. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost forecast for July 2023. To start with, cost at 13.69 rands, exorbitant cost 15.91, while low cost 11.11. The found the middle value of cost 13.45. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13.10, change for July 4.3%. Theta gauge for August 2023. To start with, cost at 13.10 rands, excessive cost 15.37, while low cost 11.78. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.23. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 12.67, change for August 3.3%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset, cost at 12.67 rands, excessive cost 12.67, while low cost 9.90. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.47, Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 10.64, change for September 16.0%. Theta conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 10.64 rands, exorbitant cost 10.64. While low cost 9.01, the found the middle value of cost 10.00, Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 9.69, change for October 8.9%, BitTorrent value forecast 2023, 2024 to 2027, Bitcoin value forecast 2023, 2024 to 2027, Theta cost expectation for November 2023, first and foremost cost at 9.69 rands, exorbitant cost 10.11, while low cost 8.79, the found the middle value of cost 9.51, Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.45, change for November 2.5%, Theta conjecture for December 2023, before all else cost at 9.45 rands, excessive cost 9.45, while low cost 7.90, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 8.82, Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 8.49, change for December 10.2%, Theta cost expectation for January 2024, before all else cost at 8.49 rands, excessive cost 10.48, while low cost 8.49, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 9.31, Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.79, change for January 15.3%, Theta conjecture for February 2024, before all else cost at 9.79 rands, exorbitant cost 12.16, while low cost 9.79, the found the middle value of cost 10.78, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.36, change for February 16.0%, Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024, in the first place cost at 11.36 rands, exorbitant cost 12.35, while low cost 10.73, the found the middle value of cost 11.50, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.54, change for spring 1.6%, Theta gauge for April 2024, in the first place cost at 11.54 rands, exorbitant cost 12.54, while low cost 10.90, the found the middle value of cost 11.68, Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 11.72, change for April 1.6%, Theta cost expectation for May 2024, to start with cost at 11.72 rands, exorbitant cost 13.74, while low cost 11.72, the found the middle value of cost 12.51, Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 12.84, change for May 9.6%, Theta estimate for June 2024, first and foremost cost at 12.84 rands, exorbitant cost 13.52, while low cost 11.76, the found the middle value of cost 12.69, Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 12.64, change for June 1.6%, Theta cost expectation for July 2024, first and foremost cost at 12.6